Hi everyone. In the last English lesson, we learned about there is and there are. So when do we use there is? For there is, we use singular noun. That means only one. So you look at the first sentence here, we use there is for one, a cat. A means one. A monster, a television, a sofa. So there is a cat, there is a monster, there is a television, there is a sofa. For one thing, one person, one object. When do we use there are? We use there are for more than one. Okay, so there are cats, there are monsters, there are books, there are toys, there are cars. So when you have more than one thing, one person, one object, we use are, there are. Okay, now let's look at the first picture here. Okay, how many cats can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can use are, there are 4 cats. How many monsters can you see? There is only one monster sitting on the sofa. So we can use there is a monster. Picture 2. How many cat can you see? There's only one cat. So we use there is a cat. Can you see any monster? Yes, there's one behind the sofa. So we can use there is a monster. What about television? How many? There's only one. So you can use there is a television. Okay, picture 3. How many cat can you see? There's only one. So we can use is. There is a cat. How many monsters? There are 3 monsters. So we use there are 3 monsters. Picture 4. There are 2 cats. So we use there are 2 cats. And there are 3 monsters or 4 monsters. Okay, there are. Picture 5. How many cats can you see? 2 cats, one over here and one here, one over here on the television. So there are 2 cats. How many monsters? 2 monsters. There are 2 monsters. Okay, last picture. How many cats can you see? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 cats. How many monsters? 1, 2. So there are 2 monsters. How many light bulb can you see? There's only one hanging here. So we use there is a light bulb. Okay? Alright, next we're going to listen to a song and then we sing together later, alright? Okay, let's listen to the song first.
Student's Book, page 72. 1. Listen and sing. Come on and see me in my little house. There are lots of lovely animals in my little house. There's a cat in the living room. There's a spider in the kitchen. There are 7 crocodiles in my lovely bathroom. Come on and see me in my little house. There are lots of lovely animals in my little house. There's a snake in the cellar. There's a lizard in my bedroom. There are tigers, lots of tigers in my lovely garden. Come on and see me in my little house. There are lots of lovely animals in my little house.
Okay, right. Okay, you enjoy the song? Right, there are a lot of animals in the house. Okay, now I'll play the song again the second time. But now you need to numbers the picture here. Can you see a big house over here? Okay, there's a lizard, there are crocodiles, there's a cat, there's a spider, there's a snake in the cellar, and then there are tigers in the garden. So as the song is played, you need to number, right? Which one comes first? If you hear the cat first, then cat you write 1. If you hear the spider second, then the spider you write second. If crocodile you hear the third, then you write number 3. Okay, alright, let's play the song again.
Student's book.
Come on and see me in my little house. There are lots of lovely animals in my little house. There's a cat in the living room. There's a spider in the kitchen. There are 7 crocodiles in my lovely bathroom. Come on and see me in my little house. There are lots of lovely animals in my little house. There's a snake in the cellar. There's a lizard in my bedroom. There are tigers, lots of tigers in my lovely garden. Come on and see me in my little house. There are lots of lovely animals in my little house.
Alright, okay, did you get all the numbers? Okay, you can look at the lyrics here. There's a cat in the living room, so the cat should be number 1. There's a spider in the kitchen, so spider over here, number 2. There are 7 crocodiles, so crocodiles over here, number 3. And then there's a snake in the cellar. Okay, can you see the snake here in the cellar? Do you remember what the cellar is? It's a basement, okay? It's a basement. Can you see the stairs going down? Okay, so snake, number 4. There's a lizard in my bedroom. Okay, lizard over here, the dancing lizard here, number 5. And there are tigers, lots of tigers in the garden. So the tigers over here, you write number 6. Okay, right, let's move on. Okay, now I want you to look at this picture here. Okay, look at this picture here. Alright, the first question. Is there a park? Can you see any park in this picture? Number 2. Are there any bikes? Okay, are there any bikes? Or what we call bicycles. Are there any bicycles here in this picture? Are there any dogs? Can you see any dogs in this picture? How many ducks are there? How many ducks are there? Okay, have you got your answer? Okay, is there any park? Are there any bikes? Are there any dogs? And how many ducks are there? Okay, you got your answer? Okay, let's check your answer together. See whether you got it right.
Student's book, page 73.
1. Listen, look, and stick.
Look at the picture.
Okay.
Is there a park?
Yes, there is.
Are there any bikes?
Yes, there are.
Are there any dogs?
No, there aren't.
How many ducks are there?
There are 7.
Okay, so did you get the same answer? Right. Okay, now look at the question again. The question used is. Is there any park? So when you answer, you also should use is. There is a park. Okay, or you answer yes, there is. Okay, can you see the park over here? Okay, yes, there is. Then the question asks, are there any bikes? Okay, can you see the bicycle over here? Right in front of the building. Over here, behind the pink car. Over here, under the tree. So we answer yes, there are. The question asks you, are there? So you answer there are. Okay, number 3, are there any dogs? Can you see any dogs here? Is this a dog? No, right? Is it a dog? No, right? They are cats. So you answer no. There aren't. There aren't. Okay, are there any dogs? No, there aren't. Or there are not. Right. Number 4, how many ducks are there? Okay, can you see any ducks here? Actually, these are ducks. Yeah, these are flying ducks. Can you see? We call this duck, flying ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he answered there are 7. Okay, the question used are, so you also should answer are. Okay, a few more questions here. Is there a plane? Can you see any plane here? Yes, over here. Can you see the plane? So he answered, is there any plane? Yes, there is. Okay, the question asks use is, so you should also answer is. Number 2, are there any rats? Okay, are there any rats? Can you see any rats here? No, because there are a lot of cats, right? There are a lot of cats around, so the rats dare not come out. So are there any rats? No. Okay, no, there aren't. Can you see the word aren't? Okay, aren't means are not. Aren't means are not. How many cars are there? How many cars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 cars. Okay, there are 4 cars. Okay, all right. Okay, your exercise for this week. Okay, I'll post it in a Google Classroom. Okay, so you have to fill in the blanks with the correct answer. You should use is, many, are, isn't there. For example, is there a cat? Okay, is there a cat? So you should answer this. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Okay, so please do your work, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a nice day.